I'm Ishika. Welcome back to Ishika's Diary. And so I am making chocolate cookies. And I love it. It's the best food ever. It is healthy for you. And you have gluten free. It's best for you. I have gluten allergies, and I love making cookies a lot. So let's start. So my ingredients. First, we need 1 cup of chocolate powder. Put it in the bowl. Next, in the with ingredients. So next, we need 1/2 cup chocolate. It is healthy for you, and I will taste it. Yummy! It is so sweet. No, 1/2 cup. No. Okay, so with ingredients. The best for you because it is really strong. So I will just beat out some of celery. Then we need some milk. They have putting milk in every morning. Drink it. And the red ingredients, so let's pour 3/2 cup. Not for only 3 cup. So 1, 2, 3. Also, we need the 3 tablespoons of nut powder. Nut powder is really good for you because it has protein. I love nut because my hair is dandruff now, but still I look at my hair. So let's put 3 tablespoons. 3. Let's join me. 1, 2, 3. Also, we need baking soda. After putting some baking soda, because baking soda is not healthy because it's very high protein. So I'll put in the bowl. 3 cup, 1 cup. Brush. Let's read. There's a lead. And vanilla. I love vanilla. Vanilla with mixed ingredients. So we can put in a bowl. Oh, first mix it, and then this. will show you. Oh, look at it. It is steam powder. Let me taste it. So sweet. So I will mix the dry ingredient first. So I will mix it well. I will mix it well. If this dry ingredient. So. Oh no! I've got one thing! So let's preheat 180 degrees. Ask your others help you. So, let's preheat. So bake. One. Agree and start. Okay, so I'm super excited for the chocolate cookies. It's my favorite, so let's mix it well. I'm done mixing this bowl. Some ingredients, with ingredients. Now I will mix it. So slowly I can. So, I love this bowl. So, let's mix it well. So, I'll mix it up. So, I'll mix the dry ingredients to the red ingredients. So, I will test it. So, wait. So just mix it and I will mix it well. It's my own recipes.
I love your own recipe. What are you making though?
I'm making several cookies.
It's a ragi cookie.
Ragi cookies.
What is it? Do you know what is a ragi?
Ragi,
It's a one kind of millet.
it is millet.
Yes, it is very healthy.
Very good for you.
Yeah, it's full of calcium.
Because I'm also no powder. Bones strong.
Yeah, that's make your bones strong.
So if
I really like that you are making all by yourself. How are you feeling?
I'm very proud.
Yeah.
Because I will take out this I have a mix with ham. Look, I'm doing.
Wow, you make perfect dough, Ishika.
Hmm?
Keep doing it. Keep kneading. How soft you knead, your cookie will be best. Crunchy.
Now I'm soft.
Oh, you want soft? Okay. It will be crunchy and soft. Perfect. You know that is very good fine motor skill. If you keep kneading it, you know that? Your handwriting, you can write very well. Your handwriting will be good. This is so important. Look at your fingers. Yeah, it's making you tired.
Yeah. But still, you can do it.
Yeah. I love your.
So, yeah, I understand you. You have chocolate chips at more delicious of chocolate chips.
Oh, if you have chocolate, yeah, that's good. Tell your audience, right? Oh, unfortunately, we don't have a chocolate chips.
No.
That's okay.
But still, I'm so hot, so yummy.
Yeah.
I will skip knitting.
Okay.
Now, so, okay. The bigger matter. So close. Wow. So I will show you this one. So hey guys, look guys out here. I will just put one bite and just put it on there.